Well, Sonia Gandhi has filed her nomination from Raebareli, the bastion from which she is seeking a hat-trick of wins. Rahul Gandhi drove Congress President Sonia Gandhi to file her nomination in Raebareli, the constituency in Uttar Pradesh that has sent her to the Lok Sabha since 2004. Sonia's white SUV weaved its way through the town, making several stops, allowing Congress workers and others to greet and garland her. Raebareli was the constituency of former Prime Minister and Sonia's mother-in-law Indira Gandhi, and the Congress President will begin the day with a religious ceremony at the Congress office, which has been a Gandhi family tradition for years. Well, Sonia Gandhi today filed her nomination papers. She arrived in Raebareli and she was driven by her own son and Vice President of the Congress, Rahul Gandhi, after which she took part in the traditional yajna at the Congress office. She is also expected to visit the Takia village once the yajna is over. It is a tradition that the Gandhi family has faced for several generations now. Indira Gandhi too is believed to have performed this yajna each time after filing her nomination papers. And well, Sonia Gandhi was driven around by her own son, Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi turned chauffeur for the Congress President as she filed her nomination papers from Raebareli constituency, where she is expecting or hoping for a hat-trick victory. And meanwhile, responding to Varun Gandhi's comment, Rahul Gandhi said that he is happy others are appreciating his work in Amethi. Rahul Gandhi's estranged cousin and BJP candidate from Sultanpur, Varun Gandhi, had praised the work done by Rahul Gandhi in his constituency, Amethi. Well, in fact, addressing a public meeting, Varun Gandhi had said that Sultanpur must replicate the development work done by Rahul.
Well, जो अमेठी में हम कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। अमेठी में हमने एजुकेशन हब का फाउंडेशन तैयार किया है। हमने फूड पार्क और किसानों के लिए लंबी सोच करके काम किया है। तो वो जो वरुण कह रहे हैं वो सही कह रहे हैं।
Well, Rahul Gandhi has gone on to acknowledge Varun Gandhi's praise for him. In fact, Rahul Gandhi went on to thank Varun Gandhi and said that his cousin is right when he speaks about the development in Amethi constituency. But just when Rahul Gandhi made the comment, Varun Gandhi took to Twitter to say that his comments were not an endorsement of any candidate. My comment last night in a meeting with teachers and NGOs in response to being asked whether I knew about initiatives in Amethi was that although I had not seen the work done via self-help groups in Amethi, I had heard it was fairly decent and that I would stress on empowering people towards being self-reliant. It should not be seen as an endorsement of any political party or candidate. Well, in fact, Varun Gandhi had at a meeting ahead of the elections gone on to state that he appreciates the kind of work that has been done in Amethi constituency, and Amethi, as we're all aware of, is headed by Rahul. On the other hand, Varun Gandhi was not too impressed with Rahul Gandhi acknowledging this words of praise. He went on to state that it was not any sort of an endorsement for Rahul Gandhi. It was merely an acknowledgement of what he had heard.